Hello, we are discussing about the GATE 2014. GATE 2014 ECE paper, and it is held on 15th February morning session. So the question is related to the digital electronics, and here for this zigzag circuits, if the clock frequency is 1 kHz, so the clock frequency f clock is equal to 1 kHz, then we are going to calculate the frequency at q3. So at this point, what is f of q3 is how much? So frequency at output of q3 is going to be we are calculating, and this is jk flip flop given is, and always j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 is held. So whenever j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, it can be act as modulo t counter, otherwise divide by 2 frequency counter. So for a jk flip flop, if j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, that is if the inputs are going to be tied at logic 1, by that time simply jk flip flop is going to be acting as divide by 2 counter. So whatever the j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, so by that time whatever the f input, that is nothing but input signal clock frequency, and fq at the output side is going to be f in divided by 2. So whatever the input frequency, output frequency will be half of that one. So that's why it is called as divide by 2 counter, or it is going to be simply called as mod 2 counter. So based on this principle, look at the flip flop whether j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 or not. If j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, at that time the output frequency is half of input frequency. So look at all the flip flops are given with j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. So for all the flip flops, output frequency is half of input frequency. Now look at the q1. Q1 frequency, f of q1 is going to be half of input frequency, that is nothing but 500 hertz. Half of 1 kilohertz is input frequency, half of that one is 500 hertz. 500 hertz is going to be input for the q2. Now look at this one, it is connected to input of q2. So clock frequency for the q2 is 500 hertz. So since j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, it will be treated as 250 hertz, and 250 hertz is going to be input clock for the q3. So output of q3, because of j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, output frequency is 125 hertz, and what we require is nothing but f of q3 only, that is output frequency at q3, that is 125 hertz. Otherwise if it is f at q4, at that time it will be treated as 62.5 hertz, but the answer is 125 hertz is the right answer. Thank you.